Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make breakfast quesadillas. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us today. If this is your first time being here, do me a favor, go down and hit that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Also do me a favor, go down and hit that description box after the video so you can see the recipe for this video and also some other groovy links. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make a breakfast quesadilla. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We are going to start out with 1 pound of some Jimmy Dean hot sausage. We got 2 jumbo eggs, 1 flour tortilla, a large one. We'll talk about that in a little bit. And then about a cup of cheddar cheese. Let's start cooking. All right, as you can see, we've got our mise en place over here by the stove. We've got our eggs, sausage, the cheese, and the tortilla, but we also have our utensils, a bowl for mixing the eggs, and the 3 pans that we're going to be using. We've got the one back there in the back for our large tortilla, and I got one there for the sausage, and one there for our eggs. So that is also included in the mise en place, along with our utensils there, as you see, for everything that we're going to need to utilize this recipe. All right, I'm gonna get the camera angle set up for this and we'll start shooting. All right, and you just want to cook your sausage on medium-high heat. You want to just cook it till it's fully cooked, and you want to make sure it's nice and crumbled. All right, sausage is done. We are just going to move this to another burner back over there. We're going to put our smaller pan that we're going to use the eggs for. Crack our eggs. Scramble them up, throw them in the heat. We're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna cook these till they're nice and fluffy. All right, these are done as well. Set those on the other burner. Then we're gonna put our flour tortilla in our pan. We can actually get it hot first, then put the tortilla in there. You can add butter or oil or anything you want in the pan in the way of a lubricant as oil, because it does transfer heat and flavor, and then it also puts a nice color on there. And we're going to put a little bit of oil in here. Now our pan is getting hot. Just drop that in there and just spread it around like that. Get that oil. You want to put it on about a medium to medium-high heat. And we're just going to add our cheese all around here. And while we're waiting for this cheese to melt, now you can do this with any kind of meat you want. You can do it with bacon, you can do it with sausage that's not spicy like this Jimmy Dean. You can do it with ham, you can do it with different cheese as well. You can add other ingredients such as jalapenos or onions or peppers or whatever you'd like to do. Let me just clarify that I'm just showing you how to make a nice sausage and cheese quesadilla for breakfast. So we have our cheese is starting to melt. I'm going to turn the heat down just a little bit because we have heat on the pan now, and we don't want to get the bottom to be burnt too much on this. So I'm going to put the sausage on 1/2 of the quesadilla, and I'm going to take these eggs and I'm going to put them on the same top of this. Kind of spread it out a little bit. Because what we're going to do is we're going to fold this over, and then we'll have a quesadilla. You can put another tortilla on top of this. I've seen that done as well. This is how I learned to make these. So that's what I'm trying to show you guys, what I learned. Now this is for 1 quesadilla. You have enough meat there to make 3, and you can also make more eggs and do it again later at a different time, or have it for another person if somebody shows up or whatever. But I didn't mix the eggs in with the sausage because I like to keep them separate. That way your eggs are going to be nice and fresh and fluffy when you make them for the next time you make one of these quesadillas. So, but you can make the eggs in along with the sausage when you're cooking, after it's cooked, of course. But all right, there is our quesadilla. I'm gonna let that just kind of melt and stick together. We got a nice color crust on it, so I'm turning the heat off. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to plate this up make it look pretty, take some photos over for my social media accounts. I'm going to put it in the timeline of this video with some really groovy music, and then we're going to come back and we are going to taste it. So don't go anywhere. Alright, what a beautiful photo shoot for this dish. The lighting was just perfect for it. Let's go ahead and give this a taste. A little sour cream on the first one. Crisp. First bite into it, crisp, with the tortilla cooked perfectly. Got the creaminess of the cheese in there, along with that egg. And then you got that bite of that sausage. Gives it a little umami. Hit it with some salsa now. That's really good. That salsa blends really well. Like I said, many variations of this. Actually, many ways of doing it after it's cooked. You want salsa or sour cream, avocado. You can do olives, cilantro. Many different ways of presenting this and adding a whole array of different kinds of condiments to go along with it. Hot sauce, but this is just classic with the salsa and sour cream. So this is a really good way to do breakfast. Very simple. I hope you give it a try. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let us know how we did. Like this video, and then share this video and this channel with everybody you know. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.